Solutions Review presents the top 5 can't-miss backup and disaster recovery trends for 2020. Number 5. Disaster recovery budgets, which are drastically increasing. The State of Enterprise Data Resiliency and Disaster Recovery report found that 75% of respondents said their DR budget has grown over the past year, and 21% reported that the increase was significant. And with ransomware threats on the rise, disaster recovery budget should continue to grow. Number 4. Multi-cloud environments. Whether on-premises, private, public, or a hybrid model, the move to multi-cloud architecture is becoming increasingly popular. Research from Teradici has shown that more than half of IT professionals are operating in a multi-cloud environment, with almost 1 in 10 using 5 or more clouds within their organizations. Additionally, 87% of respondents who had deployed a hybrid or multi-cloud strategy felt that it was an important part of their disaster recovery preparedness. Number 3. Multiple backups. Businesses are implementing multiple backup solutions in order to protect their vital data, manage product costs, or deploy a solution that will be intuitive for users. As a result, larger vendors are not necessarily the safest choice, making emerging providers an intriguing option. According to Gartner, the market has shifted. Organizations are now more willing to take a risk on lesser-known vendors, a practice Solutions Review predicts will only grow. Number 2. Ransomware. This cryptovirology form of malware, which threatens to publish stolen data unless a ransom is paid, is already plaguing enterprises worldwide, and it's getting worse. According to a study from Datrium, nearly 90% of businesses consider ransomware a critical threat to their organization, which only solidifies the need for robust disaster recovery. Number 1. The decline of the data center. Data centers are consolidating at a startling rate. While they won't likely disappear completely, as they can still help with specific use cases, most new businesses simply aren't leasing or building traditional data centers anymore. In fact, companies like Slack and Twilio are now 100% cloud-based. According to Datrium, over 54% of organizations are moving their backups to the cloud. Traditional data centers are slowly becoming obsolete. If you'd like to learn more about backup and disaster recovery so you can stay ahead of these trends, click the link below to download our free comprehensive buyer's guide, available exclusively at solutionsreview.com. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch a related video and subscribe for future uploads. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.